Welcome back to Explore with Atlantic series. Our today's topic, which is a very important one in the maintenance and upkeep of your car engine, which is oil change for the car engine. So let's not waste time and go straight to the video. Oil change, one of the most important maintenance and upkeep step for keeping your engine running smoothly. How often should you change the car engine oil? Well, that depends on a few factors like the age of the vehicle, the type of the oil you're using, how you drive, and even where you live. Years ago, the rule of thumb was every 3,000 kilometers or even less. But with modern lubricants, many cars today can go up to average 5,000 to 7,000, even 10,000 kilometers, depending on which oil is being used. For many drivers, the interval works fine. However, if you regularly drive at high speeds, have an older engine, or live in extreme climates, whether hot, cold, or dusty, you may need to change the oil more often. If your car uses fully synthetic oils, you could even go as far as 15,000 kilometers between oil changes. But it's always best to follow the car owner's manual and stick with the manufacturer's recommendation. So how do you know when it's time for an oil change? Your car usually tell you. Newer cars have oil monitoring systems that will turn on a dashboard light like an oil change indicator or even the check engine light when oil levels are low. You can also manually check the oil using the dipstick. With reference to how to check engine oil, we already have some videos in the past. We'll give you a link in the description. And if your engine starts making unusual noises, that could be another sign. When the oil level is low, engine parts won't be properly lubricated. This can cause them to grind and wear out against each other, leading to knocking or rumbling noises. If you hear these sounds, it's a sign your engine might be in trouble. Also, watch out for oil smells inside your car. This could mean you have an oil leak. If you also smell exhaust fumes, it might mean your car is overheating. So don't wait. Take it to the mechanic as soon as possible. Smoke from exhaust is another major warning sign. It could indicate an oil leak or another engine issue. If you're putting a lot of kilometers on your car in a short time, consider changing the oil sooner than usual. High mileage can wear your engine faster, so staying on top of oil changes is crucial. Now let's clear up some common myths about oil changes. Here's a big one, true or false. If the oil is black after some use, it must be changed? No, it's false. Motor oil darkens naturally, especially with exposure of high engine temperatures or combustion byproducts. Also remember, as a good oil contains cleaning chemicals, so the oil will obviously turn black. Dark oil isn't always bad. What really matters is its texture. If the oil feels gritty or grainy, it's definitely time to change it. So keep an eye on your oil, follow your manual's recommendations, and your engine will thank you with kilometers and miles of smooth driving. Thank you very much for watching our video. We hope that it was helpful. And we also thank you for your support for our past videos. We have received so many comments and testimonials from you, which are very helpful. So please subscribe to our channel and also suggest any comments you have so we can improve or we can bring you more information related to lubricants. Explore with Atlantic. Thank you very much.